Hi everyone, this is Jim Schmitz from Be Driven Sports, and today we're going to be talking about our enhanced compression sleeve. We're going to cover a little bit the uses. We're going to tell you how to size the product properly so you get the proper fit, and then we're going to talk a little bit about product care. So first of all, our enhanced compression sleeve is a medical grade compression of 22 mmHg 230. Basically what graduated means is you're going to get a lot more compression down here by the wrist, and then compression will reduce even though it'll be firm up towards the bicep. And the whole goal of that is to really optimize blood flow and to help push the circulation of blood flow back out of the arm and back to the heart. This sleeve has been very popular, and we have, there's a wide range of uses from, we've got blood optimization, joint pain, swelling in the joints, bruising. So we have a wide variety of customers wearing this. Now the key to getting, to be satisfied with this product is getting the proper fit. And what we have is, if you look at our sizing charts on our Amazon listings and some of the secondary images, or if you're on our website, you can find the images there. We have two different size allotments, you could say, one around the elbow and then one on the bicep. And so what we recommend you do is just take a string, or better yet, even a piece of tape, and just wrap it around your arm, tear it off, and then, where they meet, and then measure that. And we recommend doing this about 3 times because we've found that customers have a tendency to get different measurements the more they measure. So measure a couple times, take the average, and then you're going to also then measure your bicep. And what you'll find is you first find the slot with your elbow and then find where your bicep fits, and you'll usually have 1 or 2 options there. And basically what we recommend is, if you're looking for a tighter fit, take the size down, take the small medium if you're between small, medium, and large. If you're looking for a little looser fit, take the large. Now we have a 100% guarantee on all of our products and a free exchange program. So if you're not happy, just send your original product in for a refund. We'll give you a full refund, and you can order the next size up. We'd be happy to give you a refund on that. The third thing is the use. Now this sleeve is machine washable. We recommend washing it in cold water and then hang dry it. We've just found that if you put it in a dryer over and over and over, it can tend to shrink up a little bit, but we just recommend, again, machine washing it in cold, hang dry it, and this thing should last you all season long. If you have any problems or any questions, feel free to get a hold of us and leave a message. We'd be happy to get back with you with any questions that you have. Until next time, thanks again.